Well, less than 3 months after a mass shooting on UNLV's campus, students and staff came together this afternoon for a mental health discussion.
8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough was there and joins us now live near UNLV's Student Union with more.
This is the second year that UNLV has hosted their mental health town hall. Now this year's gathering making much more of an impact due to the most recent tragedy that took the lives of 3 professors.
If you want people to be vulnerable, you've got to be vulnerable yourself.
UNLV President Keith Whitfield leading the mental health discussion at Tuesday's town hall. UNLV faculty and groups such as Project Wellness coming together to host the seminar. And in its second year, the president noting how different it is now after December's mass shooting tragedy.
Last year it was interesting. We had more of a formal panel discussion and not as much interaction. And we wanted a space now where students could actually feel like they could talk about what was going on, talk to their peers and do a little bit of normalization.
I have to put on an entire mask.
They discussed topics like fighting stress and coping with trauma. UNLV junior Adriana Carrillo recalls the difficult time she and her fellow students had amid the shooting chaos.
It was really heavy. You hear about all the different times that this has happened across the nation, and it made me upset, it made me angry.
But since then, Carrillo says she has been able to utilize the resources around her, and she's grateful that the university provided them.
To have a space to decompress your mental health and really express yourself and move through that, it is a privilege. I feel so lucky to be not only involved in a generation where we're increasing, talking about mental health, advocating for it more.
President Whitfield also stating that UNLV had the highest number of returning students from fall to spring semester that they have ever seen. Denise.